Okay, YouTube, I thought I'd give you a look at the rabbitry. We got two food sections. We got the big one under the blue clear container here, which needs to be refilled. And we got a backup in here in the black trash can. We got a tarp over half of it so that they get something dry. The colony consists of the does, which there are 5 of, and the grow outs, and that over there. This here's my buck. And if you watch my stream, this is Smoke, the protector and nemesis of the bunnies. We just gave them some sweet potato to chow down on, which they love. So here it is. Let me know what you think.